Hey there. In this tutorial we will learn about one of the list templates. Simple list. This is Joget DX8 Showcase app. This is the simple list template. To open the list, turn on Quick Edit mode and open the list. Go to the Settings tab. Here in the Basic Properties it shows the list ID, list name, the template name. The template name is List Simple. Click Next or click here to configure the template. As you can see here, the row actions type is set to drop-down menu. Add another list action. Save and go back to the UI. Refresh. Nice. Moving on to the next option, Normal buttons. Save and refresh the UI. It works, the list actions looks like normal buttons. Moving on to the last option. Normal buttons with swipe left on mobile. Save and refresh the UI. To test this we will inspect the page by clicking on F12. We will choose a mobile phone to test this feature. Swipe left. Fantastic. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.